You have been in 2 subscribers for like 4 weeks. No, now it's you are growing, but you can actually get to 10,000 subscribers in a month. I won't tell you 1 million subscribers because I don't really think, although it's possible, but there is a process you need to pass. So how to grow your first 10 subscribers or 20 subscribers? First of all, when you have a YouTube channel or when you've created your YouTube channel, the first thing you need to do is to tell your folks, tell your guys, I've created a YouTube channel and I want to be doing this. Go and subscribe. Simple. You can also meet your family members because the first video you will upload on YouTube, you will be the one to watch it. Then the first 10 videos will be your friends, your family members. So you can make a lot of videos, upload, then you tell your friends, your sister, your brothers, all of them and say, please, I've made a video. Go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. At least, okay, don't even watch the video, just subscribe. Subscribe, let me at least have 10 subscribers. So it's pretty simple like that. Just start by that. Because even me, when I want to watch a YouTube video and I just see the person having like 5 subscribers, I'm like, at least you know more than 10 people. You know more than 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 people. So you can just, anywhere, you can be in church, you just say, hello, okay, good afternoon, lady, good afternoon, guy. I have a YouTube channel and I make content on this. I would really love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel just to encourage me. But it doesn't really need to encourage you. You have to encourage yourself. So just meet your friends, tell them to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Meet your dad. Use your dad's phone. Use your mom's phone. You have 2 or 5 brothers, use their phones. You have 5 sisters, use their phone. You have cousins. You have neighbors. You have church members. You have schoolmates. Use all of them. Use their phone to subscribe to your YouTube channel. At the end, you can even get over 100 subscribers in a week. Then after then, you need to start posting on your other social media platforms. You post it on your Facebook and tag your friends. Tell them, I have a YouTube channel. Tell them I have a YouTube channel and I really want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't force anybody. Just tell them and keep posting snippets of your video on your Facebook and post and paste a link there telling them to subscribe to your YouTube channel or to watch the full video and subscribe to your YouTube channel. Then you can also post snippets on your Instagram, your TikTok, and your TikTok account. You can put the link under your bio. You can put the link to your YouTube channel also with your Instagram and your Facebook. So you can just meet your Facebook friends, post it on Instagram, TikTok, your WhatsApp, post it on your status and say, I have a YouTube channel where I talk about this. Help me subscribe. So at least I tell you, if you do that for 1 week consistently, you'll be able to get about 100 subscribers for a start. So it's pretty simple. I don't believe in saying you will get 1 million subscribers in 1 week. Okay, start small. There is room for growth. You can still grow. You can even get over 1,000 subscribers depending on how the kind of community you're able to build or the kind of people you know. So for a start, let's just make it 100 subscribers. Then we'll make another video next week or next month on how to get about 2,000 subscribers in 1 month, because one video can actually give you about 10,000 subscribers. I've made just one video and it gave me 1,000 plus subscribers. Then I made another video and that video gave me 4,000 subscribers in less than 4 days. So it's pretty simple. So this is the basics on how to get more subscribers on YouTube. Simple. Thank you very much. If you feel this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Ephraim.